The string format methods are really useful for display alterations, so putting something all upper or all lower, title case. Another very useful way to use the string methods is on user input. Here we have two things going on. First of all, we're going to use a variable, favorite color, fave color, and input as we've seen before. And then, so we're going to apply this lower command to actually alter what's going to go into the variable. And so this is a choice. This is formatting on input. So right at the input statement, you just use the dot lower to invoke the method because input will return a string, and so you can use the dot lower on a string. So this really is a string right here after input returns whatever we put in there. So let's try running that. So I can put in my favorite color, and I can use green, and then it prints the favorite color green, and notice my capitalization is removed because I used the lower, and I could use that with upper as well. And I could use blue, and we see that I have all caps in that answer. So when do I want to use the string formatting on input? I can use it when I'm doing the input, or I can just get my input stored in a variable, and then I can just alter the variable string in print statements and in other places. And where that could be an advantage is perhaps later I wanted to see what the format that was originally used in the string. So let's go ahead and run that. So I can go yellow, and I can see there that it prints it all caps, although if I just print it without any string modification, and then I see that yellow is displayed right there. And so working with the strings input and then deciding whether I want to modify it right when I come in and the string is entered, and that's a case where I never want to change it later, or I can modify it in place in a print statement or in other uses.